Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you download PayPal on your device. Now for those of you wondering what is an PayPal is the fastest, safer way to send money, which is also known as digital wallet. Now to download PayPal on a device, simply open Play Store on your Android phone and search PayPal on the search box. After that, you will see the option of install highlighted on green. Simply click on it to install on your device. Now, if you are an iOS, simply open App Store on your device and search PayPal on the search box. After that, you will see the option of get highlighted on blue. Simply click on it to install on your device. And which way to get installed to sign in. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can download PayPal on your device. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.